Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Layno.
Okay, before we start our lesson, let's begin to pray. In the name of the Father,
Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Angel of God,
Angel of God,
my guardian dear,
my guardian dear,
to whom God's love
to whom God's love
commits me here.
commits me here.
Ever this day,
Be at my side,
to light and guard,
to light and guard,
to rule and guide.
to rule and guide.
Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Okay, once again, good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am Layno.
Okay, you can now sit. Okay. Our lesson is about visualizing numbers up to 10,000. Okay. Okay, Hannah, can you give a number between 5,001 and 6,000?
5,782.
Okay, very good. Another? Lady?
5,802.
Okay.
5,051. 5,802.
Okay, very good. Okay. We have a review about our lesson for today. Write the number presented by each set of number discs. Okay, for number 1, can you visualize the number between the by the each set of number discs? Lady.
5,111.
Okay, very good. Another for number 2, Hannah.
7,122.
Okay, very good. We visualize it because of the number disc, and we put a number 1,000. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5,000 and 110 and 1. So it is 5,511. So in number 2, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a 7,000, a 1, 100, a 2 tens, and 2, 1. So it is a 7,122. Okay, for our motivation, we have a number. We will have a game if I say four digit number, you will stand, and for lowest 4-digit number you will sit down. Okay, for 1,234, remain sit down. For 9,789, very good. For 8,799, okay, still standing. And for last one, 1,001. Okay, very good. Give yourself a 5 claps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
For our next, we have another activity. Which of these numbers, 1,234 and 9,776, 2,460, 1,001, 9,980. Which of these numbers has the smallest digit in the thousand place? Can you visualize it for number 1?
Number 1,000. 1,002.
Okay, very good. For another, which has the biggest digit in the thousand place? Hannah, can you visualize it from these numbers?
9,876 and 9,980.
Okay, very good. Nicolabo, which has the biggest value?
1,180.
Lady, what is the highest place value of this numeral?
1,000.
Okay. For the last one, what is the highest place value if 9,988 is rounded off to 10,000? What is the place value? Hannah?
10,000.
Okay, very good. By its presentation, a 1 block means 8,000. A 1 flat means 800. A 1 long means 10. And a 1 square means 8 square. What? Okay, for this presentation, how many blocks we have? Lady?
9.
Okay. Hannah, how many flats we have? 4 flats.
900.
Means A9, which is 900. Okay, you, how many longs we have? 8.
8.
And how many square we have?
8.
Okay. Can you guess what is the presentation of these blocks? Lady?
9,988.
Okay, 9,808. Very good. Because we have a 9 blocks, which means a 9,000, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8. 9 blocks means 900 and 2, 4, 6, 8. The 8 longs, which means to 80, and 8 square means to 8. Okay. How many blocks we have?
10.
10. Okay. If we have a 9 blocks or 9,000 and we add one more block or 1,000, how many blocks we have?
11. 10.
10. Means what?
10.
Okay.
10,000.
Okay, 10,000. There are many ways to visualize and to or understand how big the number is using the presentation of blocks, these charts, tables, and we can able to understand the numbers. After going through this lesson, you are expected to visualize numbers. And yes, you visualizing it and by the place value, and the presenting numbers. Okay, after you understand, we have a processing activity. Okay, can I call someone? How did you find the activity? Lady.
By reading and
Okay, very good. Another question, did you find it helpful to use flats, longs, blocks, and squares in visualizing numbers? Hannah?
yes, ma'am, because it is a helpful.
Okay, helpful for us to visualize. For our activity, reinforcement. Okay. As you can see, there is a table. Then we have a 50,000, 4,000, 260, and 3. For number 1, how many digits are there in 50,000?
5 digits.
5 digits. Okay, very good. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 5 digits. For number 2, what is the place value and value of 3? Lady.
1 and 2.
Okay, so the place value of 3 is 1 because he is only 1 and the value is 3. Okay, what is the place value and value of 6? Ito.
That's 60.
Okay. The place value of 60 is 10 and the value is 60. Number 4, what is the place value and value of 2? Hannah.
Hundreds and 200.
Okay, hundreds and 200. The place value of 200 is hundreds because it's hundreds and the value is 200. For the last one, what is the place value and value of 4? Lady.
1,000 and 2,000.
Yes, okay. Why it is? Because the 4,000 is in the 1,000 because so the place value is 1,000. So you understand what What our lesson? We have a activity. Draw a number list on your paper to show or represent the following numbers below. I will give you a paper for you to answer. Okay. Don't forget to put your name. I will give you 3 to 5 minutes to answer. Wait for your classmate. You will pass after that. Put your name, ah. Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Pass the paper in front for Hannah. I will check it later if you understand the video. For our last, okay, I have a question na. How did you find or how did you visualize our lesson? Lady. By using of this.
But you and black.
Yan, it is useful for us to visualize by the use of these blocks tables. Yes.
Yes.
For our last, it is a evaluation. Answer the following. I will provide the paper for you to answer. Put your name and start to answer.
What?
For your classmates. Are you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. For number 1, what is the face value of 7 in the 7,892? Iyan.
1,000.
1,000. Okay, very good. 1,000. Check your paper for number 1. It's 1,000. Okay, for number 2, what is the value of 9 in the 1,931? Okay, talk.
100,000.
Hundreds.
Ay,
Hundreds. Okay. Check your paper. For the answer in number 2, hundreds. Number 3, which of these numbers has the smallest digit in the thousands place? Baby.
1,002.
1,002. Okay, very good. Check your paper for number 3, 1,002. For number 4, which of these numbers has the biggest digit in the thousands place? Hannah.
8,889.
Okay, very good. Check your paper. The answer is 8,810. For the last one, what is the number represented by the blocks? Kia.
4,368.
4. Okay, very good. The answer for number 5 is 4,364 because we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks means 4,000 and 1, 2, 3, 3 flat means 300 and 2, 4, 6. A 6 longs means 60 and 4 squares means 4. Who got 5? Who got 5? Who got 4? Okay, pass your paper. Before we end our lesson, we have an assignment for you to answer in your house. Okay. Draw a representation of the following. In number 1, 3,781. For number 2, 9,112. 3, 4,364. 4, 8,903. And for number 5, 5,748. Draw a representation of the following. Okay? Let's stand up. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Ma'am Shairra.